Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're covering the specific watering needs of red potatoes. We'll explain how to prevent both overwatering and underwatering to ensure a healthy and productive harvest. Let's get started. In today's video, we're covering the specific watering needs of red potatoes. We'll explain how to prevent both overwatering and underwatering to ensure a healthy and productive harvest. Let's get started. Red potatoes generally need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to waterlogged soil, depriving the roots of oxygen and promoting harmful fungi and bacteria. Here's how to prevent overwatering. 1. Check soil moisture. Stick your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. 2. Proper drainage. Ensure your garden bed or containers have good drainage. 3. Watering schedule. Water early in the morning to allow excess moisture to evaporate. Here's how to prevent underwatering. First, consistent monitoring is key. Regularly check soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Second, consider mulching. Apply mulch around your plants to retain soil moisture and reduce evaporation. And finally, practice deep watering. Water deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth. Proper watering is crucial for the growth and productivity of your red potatoes. By understanding their specific watering needs and preventing both overwatering and underwatering, you can ensure a bountiful harvest. Stay tuned for our next video with more gardening tips and techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!